Hello everyone. So let's review the past week trades I have taken. So there are four trades I have taken on the past weeks. Three from the gold and one is from euro and GBP. So few mistakes also I have done and have taken some measures so that I'll not avoid I'll not repeat the same thing. So I'll discuss that. I'll show you what I have taken in this, taken the measures. So I have updated one trade review. This was this was about gold and yeah, this trade. So here I have done mistake. This is the first trade I took. I was expecting this expansion, but this expansion idea already is violated on this day. So this trade could have been avoided, but I have taken. So this trade I took loss, and let's discuss about the second trade. Okay, this is the Monday. Tuesday came down, and Wednesday also I was looking for continuation to this downside. I was looking to target this low as well as this low. And what happened here? If I am looking to target the lows, and if I am looking the bearish expansion day, so I need 50% to get respected. But price already invalidated the 50% idea. Here if you see, we have equal lows as a drawn liquidity, but we had SMT here, and when this candle formed this C2, I was expecting this candle to continue to the downside. But if you see, we are forming the long wick from open. Yes, we are expanding to this upside, open, low, high, close, but the wick is so big. So this is not the expansion idea. So trade idea here is invalidated, and I took the trade. Like I followed the same entry criteria, but if your daily candle is not supporting, then all the entry model will fail. If I am against the daily candle, because daily candle wants to go to the upside, if I am taking shorts, then I'll take loss. So I follow the same swing point model here. If you see the 1 hour, we form the swing point here, and if you see, this is not the typical close because yes, we are forming. I tried to sort this C2, and while it is forming, we have V-shape reversal with fair value gap. I took short here when price already respected this fair value gap. Then it immediately took me out. So this trade was also invalidated. Where it got invalidated? It got invalidated here at this area. This trade also I could have been avoided. Now come to the third trade I took on the same day when we formed the SMT here again with the highs. We closed this C2. I was expecting downside move towards this low. Like this is also forcing trade idea, forced trade idea, and it also took me out because this day closed as bullish, not bearish. I was against this daily, daily candle. So here I took three loss in a row. First, second, third. Okay. Now I came to the GBP USD. So three loss, what it did with me, it little bit messed up my mind because whatever the profit I made last week, I just gave all back and few more here. Okay. Now when I come to the GBP USD, it was a very good trade, but here also I get emotional and took B break even. So here if you see, we have some kind of SMT here. So this is the daily open. Okay, weekly open Monday, Tuesday came down. Wednesday we formed the swing point. Thursday I was expecting expansion. So the daily bias is right. I am expecting bullish daily close. So what happened here? When daily open, we have SMT at 4 hour. This is candle 2, so I am expecting candle 3 to expand. Okay. Now what happened? We form the swing point. I am expecting candle 3 to expand. This is the 9 a.m. candle. Okay. So I am expecting what? Next candle should expand. So if I am expecting 4 hour to expand, then what I need? 1 hour swing point. If you see, this is a swing point because this candle took previous candle low, formed the SMT and closed above. This is showing bullish signature. Also, this is a C2. Now I am expecting C3 to expand. So if I want to take entry, I want to take entry on C3 open low high close because I am expecting bullish candle. So price open came down to the fair value gap and closed above this down close candle. I took entry here. I placed my stop loss at the lows. What happened? Price came down, retraced, then closed above, and it went 3.885 bar. Like just I was targeting. If you see this green line, okay, I just put my stop loss in break even, and price reverse all the way down. I just lost 3.85 R here. Why this happened? Because I was trading emotionally on in this trade because I took 3 loss in a row. So I was trying to cover that 3 R, also want to make some profit. So I was just for just 20 or $30 here, I just lost all of the money, you know, not by not booking any profit. So this is the emotional trade. I became greedy and I didn't book any profit here. So this is the valid trade according to trading plan. The trade plan worked well, but due to inappropriate inappropriate emotional management, I lost this trade. So when I lost this trade, I came back. I came on the next day to take trade on Euro USD. Okay, so see this thing. So I am expecting what? If you see, this is the nice close, C2 close on the weekly candle. What it did, it came down, C2 close, C3 expansion, C4 expansion. Same idea. So if I am expecting bullish daily candle, what I need? Bullish open low high close. Where is the 4 hour chart? See, what is this? Price open, came down, H4 candle closed inside the range. I am expecting this candle and this next candle to expand. This is the 5 a.m. candle because 1 a.m. candle closed inside the range, 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. candle expand to the drawn liquidity. Okay, so if I am expecting candle expansion candle, then how can I take entry on 1 hour or 30-minute swing point? On 30-minute, what we did, we came above this high. I waited for new protected swing because when we come above the high, new phase of price delivery can occur. Price can reverse or can consolidate. I don't know. So I waited for the protected swing. It formed here. This candle came down to this fair value gap and this candle closed above this down close candle. That means what? We have swing candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. So I wanted to look for buy on this candle on the C4 until the drawn liquidity being met. So I took entry here, candle open, came down, closed above. I took entry, I placed stop loss at the body. What happened, guys? If you see, price came all the way down, took me out because my stop loss was on the body and it reversed. Because at that time we formed the SMT with dollar here. So it it would have been better if I could have, I would have covered the low because we can form the SMT. Okay. Here euro formed the SMT with dollar where dollar took the low, but euro didn't took. So this is also a valid trade, but I couldn't take any profit here also. So if I'll show you from this week, I had only two opportunity on Euro and GBP which was valid, where my trading plan also supporting the idea, and those two trades are win. I could have taken 2 hour here, 3 hour here, 5 hour, but I took unnecessary trade on the gold where technical was not supporting the trade idea, and due to that losses, the further trade got affected. So to avoid that, what I have made a trade review checklist where I after the trade I want to review how well I have followed my plan, starting from framework to risk management. Okay, so there are few things which I need before executing a trade idea. So all the thing I have written here. So after the trade, I want to check, did I follow all my criteria or not. If I didn't follow anything, so that would be a invalid trade. If I followed and still it didn't work, that is the part of probability. Okay, then I will review my trade, what went well, what not, and what could have been avoided. So I think this will to help me with reviewing my trades, and this will give the data also, how long I can follow my trading plan, how disciplined I can become. So let's see how this will enhance my performance. So I'm expecting this thing will work, and I'll try to follow my trading plan religiously, because there is one thing which keeping me reaching to my goal is me. I understood this thing because most of the people, they are not bad on technical analysis. They have enough knowledge. The thing which restrict us to become profitable is us. So the battle is with me, not with the market. Market don't know about anything, how you are feeling, how much percent you made this week or this day, or what are the situations you are facing. So market is neutral. We are coming to the market with expectation, whether it is greed, whether it is fear. So all the things we are bringing to the market, and that feelings affecting us to execute the trade and to execute the trading plan to the tick. So main thing is between me and the success, or the trader and the success, is following your trading plan with discipline. If we know our trading plan is working, and we have the data backed trading plan, we know over the period of time our trading plan have the positive expectancy. So there is no need to no need to hesitate. Then why are the things we are doing that is keeping us behind? The same thing, same repetitive mistakes. And though the trading plan looks simple, but it is really hard to follow. When the candle fluctuates, few things from trading plan, it just get out of the mind. So why it is so hard to be disciplined by following the plan? Let's see how long I can continue with this. So I'm telling you, it's literally hard. It is simple to hear, than do. Follow your trading plan. But when we actually come to the market, it just messes our mind. It just plays with our emotion. Just, just like, just skip this step and take the trade. Maybe you will miss this trade. Or maybe sometime we hesitate to execute when we take 3, 4, 5 losses in a row. So we get fearful and get hesitated to take the trade. So the market don't know about how you are feeling. Also, it is us we are getting fearful. It is us we are getting FOMO. It is us we are getting greedy. So now I am in the stage where I need to master me, master my psychology, master my discipline to follow my plan. It's not about this technical knowledge because from the last 3 years now I am on my 4 year. I have been learning technicals, getting market knowledge. Now I am in a stage where I need to master my psychology. Then only we will see, real growth. So hope for the best. I'll keep you updated with the trade I'll took in this week. Thank you.